People get so excited to see something totally different up there.
If different is your thing,
I just keep stroking this eyeball like this, like, shh, come on, girl.
these are your girls.
That's true.
And this
Her name's Tina.
is your monster.
She's a monster.
We crocheted her out of yarn.
And love.
And love.
In a sea of spray paint, Jesse, Lauren, Jess, and Tymla broke out the yarn.
Love is an open door.
And the songs.
Oh, you noticed? You noticed that? You noticed Frozen. Weird.
This quartet is the Ladies Fancywork Society.
Are we adding this? Yeah.
And they've been working on Tina since April.
She had a long, what did we say?
It's a gestation
A
period.
relatively short gestation period for how big she is.
Okay, let's move her over.
The crocheted monster is their third crush installation,
She's hungry.
second in a row at Matchbox on Larimer,
Tina!
and one of many projects they've completed since forming their yarn syndicate in 2007.
Do you want to see our gang tattoos?
Oh, we have tats. You look so good, Tina.
Tina really is different.
Love is a crocheted monster named Tina.
But if you're staring into her eyes looking for some deep meaning,
God, I wish.
Oh no.
I really wish.
you'll be staring for a while.
We want to make people smile. That's deep.
I'm in it for smiles, yeah.
I think we did it.
Brian Wendland, 9 News.
Group high five!